Hey everyone, it's Asal and welcome back to my channel. So I just woke up and I want to do my face massage. I slept super late last night and that's why when I woke up this morning my face was puffy and my eyes are still puffy. I want to do my GuaSha face massage for my full face. It's gonna be depuffing and something that you can do for your morning routine. Let's start. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face and my neck area because I'm in a humid city right now. I don't want to apply oil. I don't want it to be so heavy. So I prefer moisturizer for today's exercise. You can also tap like this on your face to make the blood circulation, to increase that actually. Everywhere you can tap. Let's start with our lymphatic drainage opening massage. First, I'm gonna massage my armpits for 10 seconds. Slightly squeeze your armpits like this and release. Squeeze and release. I'm gonna go to the collarbones with this part. So my collarbones are here. So like this, I'm gonna go up and draw a curved line like this and do this for 10 times for each side. The other side, and as you can see, it starts from collarbones and it goes to the armpits. Then I'm gonna go on the neck sides area. I'm gonna come down from the ears towards the collarbones. So doing 10 times. As you can see, the skin got red here. It means that it's really working and you're increasing the blood circulation. As you can see, I'm just holding my GuaSha like this. So I'm not holding like this. I'm just making it a little angle from the ears down to the collarbones. 10 times. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the double chin area. With the same part, move from double chin downwards like this. Again, 10 times. This is the 10. Okay, and then I'm gonna go up from the sides 10 times again. The other side 10 times. So this exercise is also good for unfolding the wrinkles on the neck. Let's go to the jawline area, but this movement would help the double chin as well. So it's like sculpting and depuffing. This part of our GuaSha close to my chin, and then I move to my ear. Then I come down on the side of my neck. Do this for 8 times to 10 times. And don't forget to hold your GuaSha angle like this. I'm giving it a little angle and then I'm going upwards to the ears and downwards on the neck. I'm doing this 8 to 10 times for each side. To the ears, come down. The next move is for jowls and lifting them. With this side, move up from the chin like this and I come up to the side of my nose. Do this for 10 times. Be so gentle. So 10 times for the other side. Next move would be for lips, would be around the lips. Again, the same side of my GuaSha, move around my lips, and I'm gonna just draw circles 10 times on this side. Go back to this side and draw again circles 10 times more. So this exercise is gonna help the lips to get plumper and look bigger, because it's gonna just increase the blood circulation around your lips. Next move would be for jowls lifting again, lip corner lifting, also making face to look slimmer because of fats that we have on our buccal area. With this side of my GuaSha, I'm gonna just move from here to my ears. It softens the smile lines. It makes my face to lift, the jowls to lift, the lips to lift for 10 times. Be so smooth, but try to press a little. So your press should be medium, but try to be smooth. On the other side. Don't forget to hold your GuaSha in an angled position. So I'm not going like this, I'm going like this. Okay, our next exercise, which is for under eyes and for dark circles under eyes, for puffiness, just tap with this side of your GuaSha for like 10 to 15 seconds. Just tap under your eyes and the other side. So the skin under our eyes is so thin, as you know, so don't forget to apply under eye cream before starting your massage. I'm gonna go up to my eyes with this side. First, I'm gonna start on the lymph node here, 5 seconds to 10 seconds on the other side. As you can see, it got a little red. Now I'm gonna depuff the eyes. This movement is also good for hooded eyes. If you have puffy eyes every morning, you can just do this. With this side of my GuaSha, I'm gonna just start so slowly. Be so gentle here because this is eye area. So I'm gonna just move outwards to the temples like this, and then slightly I'm gonna just move like this with my GuaSha on the temples. So moving outwards and just slightly massaging that. 10 times for each eye. So this is like upwards, outwards, and massage. Upwards, outwards, massage. See the difference? Even now, after 10 times only, my eyebrow got lifted and there is like no puff here. See? It's like you're just ironing the muscles and your skin. For the other side, upwards, outwards, massage. Okay, see, blood circulation that increase. It's like I'm wearing an eyeshadow. This is amazing. Okay, so let's go to the next move, which is for crow's feet. I'm gonna hold, I'm not gonna push it downward, and then I'm gonna move slightly upwards, just unfolding any wrinkles. And my pressure is light, it's not even medium. And I'm doing this for 10 times on this area, upwards. Okay, I'm just holding the skin. I'm gonna move upwards like this. I'm doing this for 10 times. This exercise is also gonna help your eye to get a foxy look and a lifted look. Next exercise, and that is for our eyebrows, to lift them. This side of my GuaSha, slightly I move upwards like this. I do this for 10 times on this part of my eyebrow. Pressure is medium, so as you can see, my skin gets a little red. And then I move to the outer part of my brow and repeat the same exercise for 10 times on this area too. This exercise helps the muscles on your forehead to relax, and also you are just lengthening the muscles here. The next move is gonna work on the frown lines also. We are just going up to the scalp, and then we are just doing this movement on the scalp. And repeat this for 10 times. I'm gonna just repeat the same movement all over my forehead. I'm gonna do this for 10 to 15 seconds. I'll just move up from the eyebrows upwards to the scalp. It's like I'm ironing the muscles and lengthening that. It's gonna remove any wrinkles that you have or you might have on your forehead. Last one, I just massage my scalp like this. So I'm done for my morning depuffing GuaSha exercise for my full face and my neck. I'm gonna just put my before picture here so you can compare. Okay, so this was it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and also I'm so thankful for all of your support. Don't forget to ask me any questions that you have in the comment section down below, and also don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope this routine was helpful for you, and see you in next video. Bye.